Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by acknowledging a limitation. Chrome Mobile cannot run desktop extensions, so you need a compatible Chromium browser. Download and install that alternative on Android, then open it and grant standard permissions like storage and network. Once done, make sure automatic updates and background activity are allowed so extensions can update and run reliably. Now, navigate to the browser settings to prepare for extension installation. This step avoids surprises later and sets the Now you move into the extension installation flow. In the compatible browser, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension you need. Once you find it, read permissions and reviews to understand what data it accesses and why. Tap Add to Chrome or Add Extension. Confirm any prompts the browser shows. After installation, the browser will display an icon or show the extension list. Make sure to restart the browser or refresh tabs so the extension initializes correctly. Finish by enabling and configuring the extension. Open the browser's extensions page to toggle it on, then open its options to grant site access and adjust behavior. Once configured, test the extension on a few pages to ensure it works as expected. If something goes wrong, first clear the browser cache and confirm the browser is up to date, then reinstall the extension. If problems persist, try an alternative compatible browser. This often resolves compatibility or permission conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.